This model kit review is of the Mirage 3C, and it is actually the Israeli version. The model is by Academy. It's a 1/48 scale model, and it shows you the finished model here. Looks like a fair amount of detail. And I don't see too much else on there, the information, so let's have a look inside. This one I've actually already started. And as you can see here, these are all engraved, recessed panel lines, including the rivet lines. Fair amount of surface detail. The one thing that does seem to be bare is the wheel wells. Let's have a look here. It's a fuselage, all very nicely molded. No flashing, no mold lines. Already put the air intakes together. Here's our cockpit. Really kind of missing a lot of detail. It's got some detail, not a lot. And then I've weighted the nose. Wheel well, the front nose wheel's already gone in. And again, a fair amount of surface detail. Air intakes already been put together. We have two fuel tanks, which are nicely molded. We do have a few other pieces here. Wheel well covers, some body pieces. Looks like another part to put on the ejection seat, and then pylons. Here's our exhausts and additional pylons. We do have a missile. We have a pilot with some very long legs, and landing gear, additional weapons, and then we also have some wheels. We have a canopy glass, and then some decals. Now I don't know where the instructions are, but the instructions are the same as for the other Mirage, the 3R. Obviously the decals will be placed differently. You need to follow the guide on the box. Instructions putting the cockpit together and the nose wheel, air intakes, and then putting the fuselage together, the fuel tanks, wings on, landing gear. All in all, very simple model, but some surface detail is actually quite nice.